Hello, YouTube people. Music Therapy Laz here doing a unboxing with Roxy video. Actually, it's an unpackaging video. And we got this about a few days ago. Go, Roxy, go. Go, you can do it, you can do it. And guess what it is? I don't know if I have it upside down or what. Anyway, got this from Lizard Spit, which is the one of the winning items from the Music Gear Network Christmas giveaway thing, 12 Days of Christmas thing I think they did. So Roxy's trying to unpackage this for me here, but if I leave it up to her, we'll be here for hours. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Oh, sorry, Roxy. Here, you want to play with that? Get it, you can get it. There you go. And let's see what we got. Alright. What did we get? So Music Therapy Laz here once again. Thanks for watching my videos. We haven't done anything musical lately because I was sick with the anthrax. Really knocked me out, and then I had several rush days of getting work done because I had to get some work done. And thankfully got that work done. And I still have lots of work backed up on me, so it sucks. I go to NAMM, don't even get in, but I still had fun. And then I spend a bunch of money, and then I come back and I'm sick for a week and a half and I can't work, so, you know, funds are depleted right now. But we got something free. Isn't that cool? Free stuff is great. So it says here, Lizard Spit product details. Music care products, safer for you, better for your gear, easier on our planet. I like that. That's cool. So we got some Lizard Spit stuff here. And Roxy's gonna keep going at it here. Keep going at it there, Roxy. So I have a number of other cleaning products. Let me go grab them while you watch Roxy. I use the Dunlop brand stuff, and I keep it in the box because I like to keep things organized. So the box is getting tattered, but I like to keep it in the box because that way it's organized. And then I picked up this at the Dublin, I think San Ramon. Yeah, the San Ramon Danville Music store, Danville Music, that I did a Shop Your Mom and Pops at. So I always buy something when I'm in a store. So this is for matte and gloss finishes, which is great because I've got a matte finish guitar and some gloss finish guitars. So this is an all-purpose guitar detailer. Cleans and protects, removes fingerprints, dust spots, restores original finish. Okay, and this is like the full-on does everything. So it's got cream of carnauba for body gloss, and then it's got the guitar polish and cleaner. Formula number 65, of course. Then you got the string cleaner and conditioner, and the cleaner and prep, and the deep conditioner. So that's if you've got swirls and scratches and stuff, right? Fingerboard oil replenishes the fingerboard. I think that's what the O2 is for. So the number of different things here. I guess the fingerboard, yeah, there's a fingerboard prep and the deep conditioner. Anyway, so I use that on all my guitars whenever I clean them. Now I also have this, which apparently is good for the environment, right, Roxy? Isn't that good? Aren't you happy about that? Are you happy? Yeah? You're so happy you want to open it, don't you? Yeah. So, there you go. Go at it. Unboxy, Roxy. So, this is supposedly good for the environment, which I'm going to definitely support because I appreciate organizations and companies that try to not hurt the planet with their products, right? So I think that's all a good thing. So thank you for watching. We're going to probably spritz a little on some of my guitars and clean them up a little bit. But not today because I'm working. Catching up on work. But anyway, wanted to do a quick video because I haven't done one with Roxy and anything music. Well, I've been mostly doing Roxy videos actually. Yeah, she hurt her little right foot and she's doing a little better now, but she was keeping her right foot elevated for a while. I think she hurt it. It might have been something to do with something in her little house, or it might have been that she was flying around like crazy and bouncing off stuff. So Roxy and I, Music Therapy Laz, thank you for watching our videos, and if you like them, hit that like button. If you want more of them, hit the notification button, and then it'll hit your bell, and it'll tell you when a new one's coming. And then I'll try to put some musical stuff up this week. Music Therapy Thursdays, 4 o'clock. Expect me to be there. I missed last week because I was working, and I missed Sunday as well. Super Bowl and hanging with my wife and stuff. So, yeah, wasn't gonna happen this Sunday, unfortunately. So Roxy's now trying to take my phone apart. She's about to knock it over. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. All right. And then, of course, don't forget to subscribe. That helps my channel grow. I've been growing really nicely, which is, I so appreciate. I've been getting random connections, I guess, from stuff from even like a person who does flowers. I think it's out of Korea because the script looks like it's Korean. So there's some kind of Korean flowers person that's checking out my channel, which is cool. That means the algorithm probably on YouTube is sending all kinds of non-musical people my way, probably because of Roxy, because she's so pretty. And so I love gardens and flowers, so that's going to help me kind of expand my knowledge there and share some musical knowledge and music therapy knowledge and bird knowledge with the flower people. And then, of course, anyone else who's interested in music, I'm definitely planning to, I'm getting really close. I say that every time. Getting the studio completely up and running, but it's mostly running now, so I got to get rid of some dust that I recently made doing some work in here, actually, because I do some of the work I do in here. I do craft kind of things. It's hard to explain, but yeah. So I got a little dust to get rid of, and then I have, that's a bad thing, is having dust on stuff in here. Anyway, and then, record some music, do some original music, which I'd like to put up. Kind of just a performance piece without any talking. Wouldn't that be nice? So I'll do that very soon. And then this lighting makes my teeth look weird. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel, and I'll put some musical stuff up, and I'll be following the other stuff that's going on. And thank God I'm feeling better now. So that helps. So Music Therapy Laz and Roxy saying thanks for sharing, subscribing, commenting, all those things. And we'll see you the next time around. Music Therapy Laz and Roxy out.